This is the main screen of the iCell app. On the left side, we have 4 tabs which enable you to access the 4 primary features of the iCell app. And on the right side, we have some utility tabs that enables you to get to news items that ITX has posted to its disseminated to subscribers, and video demos. Every screen in the iCell app has a video demo which gives you a demonstration of how to use any particular screen you might be on. So let's take a look at the marketing database. You can access the industry conference attendees by conference, by company, or by all attendees. So let's select the by conference, and you'll see that the what is displayed is a list of conferences on the left side, sorted by year and in alphabetical order of conference within year. And of course, these are 2016 conferences that have not taken place yet. But this database gives you a good way of not only looking at past attendance of conferences and accessing that information, but also looking at future conferences. Because if you click on a detail button, it displays on the right side detailed information regarding the upcoming conference, the location and dates and various fees, etc. So it's a good way to be able to peruse upcoming conferences and maybe make a decision as far as attendance. On the left, we also have a website button whereby you can click on the website and will open a new tab in your browser with and take you to that particular conference's website. Okay. All right, now as far as historical, if we tab down here, spin down a little bit till we have some conferences that have actually taken place. Here's one, 2015 IASA. If you select that, on the right side is displayed a list of conference attendees. We have the company they represented, their name, and of course some contact information. Well, you notice there's an email button. If you click on that email button, any attendees that have supplied an email address, this will cause an email to be opened in your local email software, whatever you use, addressed to this particular person. Right. Also, at the top left here, we have a filter whereby you can enter the name of a particular conference, let's say IASA, and hit return, and it'll filter the table down to just the IASA conferences. Okay, the next option under marketing is by company. You have the same kind of information, but be able to access it by company. On the left side, we have, in alphabetical order by company name, a list of companies. If you click on any one of the companies, it will display on the right then all of the attendees in the database representing that particular company. We have the year and the conference they attended, their name, of course, and then the same contact information as the previous screen, and also an email button on the right. And as far as filtering, you can filter this table by company name or by category. We assign each company a category based on the type of organization they are. There's a little question mark on over here you can hover on and get a definition of the category: carrier, consultancy, health industry, etc. And you can filter by company and category. Okay, the last display in attendees is all attendees. This screen displays the table in attendee name order of every attendee. We have 17,000 of them currently in the database, and of course it's growing at all times. We got the year, the conference, the company they've represented, and their name comes up in order by attendee name, and the same detail information. And over to the right is the email button again, and additional information as far as attendee contacts. And at the top we have filters for the year, the conference, the company, and name. You can use one or any combination of these filters to narrow the information down. And one thing I want to point out, this is true for every iCell screen, there's a little right arrow here that you can click that and download all of the data that is in this view to a CSV file on your local hard drive. And that then can be opened in Excel, and you can work with the data locally on your hard drive then. The next button over is a little icon for printer. We can click that button, and it will reformat this data in a printer-friendly display. So if you want to take a hard copy of any screen you're looking at, you can do it in that manner.